Hello everyone. So I hope that you all are doing absolutely fine. So in this video we will discuss about the admission details for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry and BSc Honours Agriculture undergraduate course as well as for the MSc Agriculture and MBSc programs for the PG courses in Chaudhary Shravan Kumar Himachal Pradesh Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, or you can say CSK Himachal Pradesh Agriculture University, Palampur. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will discuss about the important information for the application for admission to undergraduate programs for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry and BSc Honours Agriculture. As well as we will discuss about the important information for the application for admission to PG courses for MSc Agriculture and MBSc programs of the university. Simply, the candidates applying for the admission to the programs will have to fill the respective relevant online application form at the university website along with uploading of all the requisite certificates and documents relating to the admission as mentioned. सिंपली जो भी कैंडिडेट्स यूजी एंड डिफरेंट पीजी प्रोग्राम्स में सीएसके यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले उन्हें रेलिवेंट ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिलअप करना होगा दैट इज अवेलेबल ऑन द यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट एंड दे हैव टू अपलोड ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड सर्टिफिकेट्स और द डॉक्यूमेंट मेंशन्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. Moving on with the deposition of the requisite fee by the last date of the receipt of the application form, whereas for the NRI, OCI or the foreign nationals, the application form will have to be downloaded from the university website and submitted duly filled in all respect accompanied with the requisite fee in shape of a demand draft drawn in favor of the comptroller CSK HPKV Palampur payable at SBI or HPAU Palampur or payable at Palampur in case of any other bank, and one set of self-attested copies of relevant document to the registrar CSKHP Palampur so as to reach on or before the last date fixed for the receipt of the application form. सिंपली जो भी कैंडिडेट्स इंडियन नेशनल से बिलोंग करते हैं दे हैव टू फिल द ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, देन दे हैव टू upload all the required documents and the certificates, and then they have to submit the online application form fee. बट जो भी कैंडिडेट्स एनआरआई ओसीआई और फॉरेन नेशनल से बिलोंग करते हैं दे हैव टू डाउनलोड द ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म from the university website, then they have to fill all the required aspects, then they have to submit the requisite fee for the application form in the form of a demand draft in the favor of the comptroller of the university, and then they have to send the self-attest copies of relevant documents to the registrar of the university before the last date of the application form. Moving on, the application fee can also be deposited in the Comptroller CSKHP KV Palampur FCRA account number, and its proof be attached with the application form for the NRI, OCI or the foreign national candidates. In addition, the NRI, OCI foreign nationals are also required to send the PDF version of the application form along with the relevant documents and proof of requisite fee through email at this particular email address to the registrar of the CSKHP KV Palampur on or before the last date of the receipt of the application forms. सिंपली जो भी कैंडिडेट्स एनआरआई ओसीआई और फॉरेन नेशनल कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करते हैं देयर इज अनदर वे टू सबमिट द एप्लीकेशन फी एंड इट कैन बी डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिटेड इन द अकाउंट ऑफ द कंट्रोलर CSKHP KV and its proof should be attached along with the application form. The second thing is that जो भी कैंडिडेट्स एनआरआई ओसीआई और फॉरेन नेशनल कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करते हैं उन्हें अपने एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म का पीडीएफ वर्जन अलॉन्ग विद ऑल द रेलिवेंट डॉक्यूमेंट एंड द proof of the application form fee deposition should be emailed to this particular email address of the registrar on or before the last date of the application form. So now moving on, we will discuss about the application fee. First of all, we will discuss about the application fee for the undergraduate program. So simply, if the candidate having the Himachal Pradesh bona fide and if he or she chooses only one option, whether it is BVSC and AH or BSc Honours Agriculture and belongs to the general OBC or EWS category, in that case, that particular candidate have to pay the sum of 1000 rupees as a application fee. And if the candidate belong to the SC/ST or person with the benchmark disability, in that case, that particular candidate have to pay the sum of 700 rupees as application fee. There is one additional category of the self-financing seat, and if any Himachal Pradesh bona fide candidate chooses this particular category, then they have to pay the additional amount of rupees 1000 for any of the courses. Moving on, if the Himachal Pradesh bona fide candidate chooses both the option, both BVSC and AH as well as the BSc Honours Agriculture, and if that particular candidate belong to the general OBC or EWS category, then in that case he or she have to pay the sum of 1500 rupees, and if that particular candidate belongs to the SC or ST category or with benchmark disability, in that case he or she have to pay the sum of 1000 rupees. If the candidates choosing the self-financing seats category, they have to pay the additional rupees 2000 for choosing more than one degree program. Moving on, for the non-Himachal Pradesh bona fide candidates, if they are applying only for the BBSc and AH or BSc Honours Agriculture, the sum of application fee will be around rupees 2000, and if they chooses both the option, both BVSc and AH plus BSc Honours Agriculture, then they have to pay the sum of rupees 3500 as application fee. There is one important note for the non-Himachal Pradesh bona fide candidates that they are eligible for admission against self-financing seats only. For the candidates belonging to the NRI, OCI or the foreign nationals, I will enclose all the details in the description box below, or you can refer to the information brochure. Moving on, for the postgraduate programs in MSc Agriculture and MVSc, for the Himachal Pradesh bona fide candidates, the application fee for the general OBC and EWS category will be 1600, for SC/ST person with the benchmark disability category will be 1100, and additional fee for the self-financing seat will be around 1500. If the candidate is non-Himachal Pradesh bona fide, then in that case he or she have to pay the sum of rupees 3100 as a application fee. And there is one important note that non-Himachal Pradesh bona fide candidates are eligible for admission against self-financing scheme seats only. Moving on, there is important notes. First of all, for the admission against the self-financing scheme seats, the candidate shall have to apply in the online application form at the time of filling online application form for the program filling, which no option or request shall be entertained subsequently or at any later stages. The second one is that the charges for the application fee to be deposited through the online payment gateway mode are to be borne by the candidate himself or herself. These two particular notes says that जो भी कैंडिडेट सेल्फ फाइनेंसिंग स्कीम सीट्स के अगेंस्ट एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, they have to specify this particular thing in the online application form, and after the closure of the online application form there will be no chances to change it, as well as they have to pay the additional amount of the application fee during the online application form submission. Moving on, we will discuss about some important information for the admission to the BVSc and AH and BSc Honours Agriculture undergraduate programs. So first of all the candidates shall have to furnish their particulars accompanied with uploading of relevant certificates and documents relating to the admission along with the online application form by the stipulated date, except the NEET UG or ICAR AIEE AUG roll number, score and rank. Thereafter, on declaration of the result of the entrance test NEET UG or the ICAR AI UG, the candidates shall have to update their profile within the mentioned period in the online application form by furnishing the NEET UG and ICAR AIEEA UG roll number, score and rank, including the uploading of the respective scorecards. Moving on, at this time, no candidate shall be allowed to rectify, add or modify their information or the particulars already filled in their online application form. If any candidate failed to furnish the information regarding the NEET UG or ICAR AIEEA UG score, etc. within the stipulated time period, his or her right for the admission to the program shall stand fortified. सिंपली जो भी कैंडिडेट्स BVSC एंड AH एंड BSc ऑनर्स एग्रीकल्चर अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम्स में अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं एट CSK कृषि विश्वविद्यालय, सबसे पहले उन्हें ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म सबमिट करना होगा. आफ्टर दैट दे हैव टू अपलोड ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स, देन दे हैव टू डिपॉजिट द ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फी. ठीक है. उसके बाद सभी कैंडिडेट्स जिन्होंने ये ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरा है, नीट यूजी और ICAR AIEA UG का रोल नंबर, स्कोर और रैंक कार्ड अपलोड करना होगा. इट मींस दे हैव टू अपडेट देयर प्रोफाइल आफ्टर द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स विद इन द स्टिपुलेटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. अगर कोई भी कैंडिडेट्स स्टिपुलेटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में अपना नीट यूजी और ICAR AIEA UG का स्कोर कार्ड और रिलेटेड डिटेल्स और सिंपली अपनी प्रोफाइल को अपडेट नहीं कर पाता है, देन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस हिज और हर application or the admission will be stand fortified. It means it will be terminated. Moving on, for the admission to the masters, that is MSc agriculture or MBSc program, the application form is to be filled online at the university website by the stipulated date along with the requisite application fee online through the payment gateway. सिंपली जो भी कैंडिडेट्स पीजी प्रोग्राम्स में अप्लाई करते हैं, दे हैव टू फिल द ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म थ्रू द यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट एंड दे हैव टू पे द प्रेस्क्राइब्ड ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फी थ्रू द पेमेंट गेटवे. So this is the fee structure for the undergraduate programs as well as for the postgraduate program. So you can just pause the video and can have a look. Moving on, we will discuss about the mode of admission. So simply for the BVSc and AH program, it will be on the basis of the NEET UG scorecard. For the BSc Honours Agriculture program, it will be on the basis of ICAR AIEEA UG scorecard. And for the Masters program, the admission will be on the basis of weighted scores of the entrance test, that is 80%, and it is conducted by the university itself, and 20% of the qualifying examination. So अब हम लोग बात करेंगे about the mode of admission for the different undergraduate as well as for the different postgraduate program in the CSK कृषि विश्वविद्यालय यूनिवर्सिटी. सो सिंपली अगर जो भी कैंडिडेट्स बैचलर ऑफ वेटनरी साइंस एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, सो देयर एडमिशन विल बी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नीट यूजी स्कोर कार्ड. जो भी कैंडिडेट्स BSc ऑनर्स एग्रीकल्चर अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, देयर एडमिशन विल बी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ICAR AIEAA UG स्कोर कार्ड. एंड जो भी कैंडिडेट्स मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, their admission will be based upon the entrance test which is of 80% conducted by the university and 20% of the qualifying examination. So these are the minimum eligibility qualification criteria required for the undergraduate program. The first degree is BVSc and AH and the second one is BSc Honours Agriculture. I request everyone to just pause the video and kindly have a look. After that, the minimum eligibility qualification for the master's program is as follows. I request everyone to just pause the video and kindly have a look. Moving on, we will discuss about the number of seats and reservation for the admission under Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry and BSc Honours Agriculture undergraduate program. So there are two particulars. First one is university seats and second one is VCI or you can say ICAR seats. For the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, the total number of seats available is 60. Among 60, the 51 is through the university seat and 9 is through the Veterinary Council of India. For the BSc Honours Agriculture, the total number of seats available is 120. Among 120, 102 seats are through university and 18 seats are through ICAR. Moving on, we will discuss about the number of seats and their reservation for the master's programs in different disciplines of the colleges. So for the College of the Agriculture, the total number of seats is 108, and for the Dr. G.C. Negi College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, the total number of seats available is 89. Moving on, we will discuss about some important notes regarding the admission under the different undergraduate and the postgraduate program at CSK Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. Simply, for the admission to the BVSc and AH degree program, the candidates shall have to appear in the NEET, and for the admission to the BSc Honours Agriculture program in AIEEA UG, except for the Prime Minister Special Scholarship Scheme for the Jammu and Kashmir in service nominee, NRI, OCI or foreign national category candidates, and also to apply for these programs online on the designated portal of the university, and the admission will be on the basis of the merit as per the mode of admission in the eligible category for which applied on the application form of this university. For admission to the master's program, the candidates shall have to appear in the entrance test to be conducted by this university, and the admission shall be made to the respective category as per the mode of admission. Simply, जो भी candidates Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry undergraduate degree program में admission लेना चाहते हैं, they have to appear in the NEET examination, and जो भी candidates BSc Honours Agriculture program में admission लेना चाहते हैं, they have to appear in the ICAR AIEEA UG examination. Along with this, they also have to fill the online application form at the university portal, and they have to fill and upload all the required and the prescribed documents for the same. Second thing is that जो भी candidates master's program में admission लेना चाहते हैं, they have to appear in the entrance test that will be conducted by the university, and the admission will be made to the respective category as per the mode of admission. So in the nutshell, जो भी candidates undergraduate program like Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry and BSc Honours Agriculture में admission लेना चाहते हैं, first of all they have to appear in the NEET examination and ICAR AIEEA UG examination. After that, they have to fill the online application form at the university portal. Then they have to upload all the required documents and the certificates. Then they have to submit the online application fee. This is for the undergraduate program. And जो भी candidates मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम में अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं एट द CSK हिमाचल प्रदेश एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी पालमपुर, दे हैव टू fill the online application form, and then they have to appear at the entrance test conducted by this particular university. ठीक है, and the mode of admission for the master's program will be based on 80% of the entrance test and 20% of the qualifying examination. I hope that the details regarding the admission for the undergraduate and the postgraduate program at CSK Himachal Pradesh Agriculture University Palampur is quite clear to all of you. If you found any of the query, you can leave your query in the comment section below. I will try to reply as soon as possible, and all the best. So that's all for this video. We will meet very soon in the next one.